Thank you for watching this week's episode of our Thirukkural series. We hope you found the first chapter's verses and explanations insightful and inspiring. Welcome to Thirukkural, Chapter 2, Glory of Rain. In this chapter, Thiruvalluvar emphasizes the crucial role of rain in sustaining life. Let's explore Song 3. If the skies fail to rain, the world, though surrounded by sea, will yet suffer from hunger. In this verse, Thiruvalluvar emphasizes the importance of rain in the context of global food security. Vast oceans may surround the world, but without rain, crops will wither, and people will go hungry. Thiruvalluvar's words remind us of the significance of rain in agriculture and the importance of preserving water resources. It also highlights the fragility of our food systems and the need for sustainable practices. The verse also carries a message of hope. After a drought, the arrival of rain brings relief and renewal, transforming dry, barren land into lush green fields. Thank you for watching this episode of Thirukkural. Stay tuned for the next episode, where we explore the next song in Chapter 2, Glory of Rain. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Thirukkural content. Join us next week as we explore another chapter and continue to uncover the beautiful and inspiring teachings of Thirukkural.